The question is, do AI prompts still make money? Over the last 4 months, I've made $17,833.92 selling AI prompts that give a specific group of people a very specific outcome with a series of AI prompts. And you can do this too. Head over to ChatGPT. In this example, give me a list of prompts I could use. I could ask any LLM to help me grow strawberries indoors. Here's a list of practical and creative prompts you can ask any large language model to help you grow strawberries indoors. I've grouped them into categories so you can go deep in whichever stage or angle you're interested in, from setup to harvest to monetization. This is all you need to do. You need to go to the AI and let it know that you need a series of prompts, information that you're going to give to a group of people that want to use AI to accomplish a very specific task, to get an outcome, to solve their problem. Just make sure that you focus on it being real information and honestly helping people that you sell this to, give it to, full of affiliate links or your own product to lead them to an ultimate solution. The outcome, in this case, of having strawberries actually grown indoors with the help of the AI assistant that you've created. The AI assistant that you've created is a series of AI prompts. We go back to ChatGPT and you're looking at this series of prompts and you're saying to yourself, this is just a series of questions. And you're right. It is just a series of questions that people need to ask themselves what they need to know and understand to grow strawberries indoors. So at that point, your next step is to go back to ChatGPT and tell it to rewrite that series of questions, rewrite the information and present it in a format so you can tell the AI LLM to run the information in the PDF, because you're going to package all this up in the PDF. Here is the series of prompts or the instruction for the AI, the mega prompt that you're going to sell or give away. And then it's going to trigger the AI to become what is called, in this case, in this example, the Berry Bot. We also have some recommended tools here. These are our affiliate links, or these are the product that you've created, a video training, a community, anything that's actually going to help them get the outcome. In this case, I've put in my affiliate links for a potting system and a series or a product of grow lights for them to actually accomplish this task of growing strawberries indoors. You're simply just going to come down here and you can see these are prompts now for the AI. You're just going to copy this. You're going to go over to Google Docs and you're going to paste it into a Google Doc. You can also create a 3D ebook cover using ChatGPT in the exact same conversation that we were having with ChatGPT. Don't overcomplicate this. Create a simple 3D ebook cover mockup for the Berry Smart Grower, how to use AI to grow strawberries indoors. Here's a nice little mockup of an ebook or a book cover, 3D ebook cover that we can then add to the PDF or add to the Google Doc. Come over here, file, download as PDF. Give this PDF away. Here's the PDF. Give this PDF away or sell it. And now you have created a bot, a Berry Bot, which is now the Berry Smart Grower System, and allow people to use AI to grow strawberries indoors or sell your prompts to help people grow strawberries indoors. They will take that PDF that you give them or sell them, your series of AI prompts. They will simply just say, let's grow some indoor strawberries. The AI will now tell them, the people that you sold these prompts to or gave it away just because you want them to use your system and or purchase your training or guidance or join your coaching or whatever the end game for you for making money from these prompts is. And it says, awesome, I'm ready to help you grow fresh, delicious strawberries indoors. Before we begin, I need to ask you a few questions so I can build your custom plan. Once you answer, I'll recommend the best setup for your space and walk you through the next 3 steps to get started. Let's grow. Then here you can see I put in just some simple, quick, non-formatted answers to give to the AI as the person that you sold this information to, these AI prompts or this PDF, and then they'll simply just hit go. And now you've created a series, or you've created a system, a Berry Bot system that is going to show them exactly what they need to do. And it's going to walk them through this process of growing strawberries indoors. And now you've thinking outside of the box by looking at creating a system of AI prompts to help people do something that you might have never thought that AI would help them do, or maybe they never thought AI would help them do. Great. Thanks for providing that information. Based on your answers, a low maintenance soil pot set up on your windowsill with a simple indoor lighting system will be perfect. This approach is beginner friendly and fits your time commitment. Here's a short beginner friendly 3-step starter guide to get you going. Gather your supplies, and look, now you linking, now the AI is linking to the PDF that you created. All of the information, it's referencing your document, your AI prompts. To personalize a complete growing plan, could you please tell me a bit more about your exact setup? Here, you could also go back to the AI and inside your Google Doc that you've created here with all the instructions for the AI to start, which is a series, or a mega prompt, which is a series of prompts. Then you could add in your recommendation here for additional tools or guidance, and you could have the AI. In this case, it says, if the user says they need help with containers or lighting, the AI can mention the potting system or the potting system that we recommended and the grow light system. But you could just as easily put in your Facebook group or your school group, or a way for them to contact you to join your community and or join your course, or depending on whatever it is you're trying to sell. Just create a series of prompts, a series of questions, have the AI turn it into a mega prompt, put the prompts in one collection in a PDF, give it away, sell it. Make it a powerful resource to turn the AI into a system that walks people step by step through the process that you've created using AI, to then sell these AI prompts as the ultimate solution to their problem. At this point, just don't overcomplicate it. Just log in to the AI. If you need more help or you want to learn or see how this works, check out this next video right here.